Little darling, today we will learn the names of different wood animals. Tiger. This is a tiger. Elephant. This is a elephant. Gorilla. This is a gorilla. Kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Crocodile. This is a crocodile. Python. This is a python. Tortoise. This is a tortoise. Monitor lizard. This is a monitor lizard. Eagle. This is a eagle. Ostrich. This is a ostrich. Owl. This is a owl. Peacock. This is a peacock. Toad. This is a toad. Tree frog. This is a tree frog. Salamander. This is a salamander. Shark. This is a shark. Dolphin. This is a dolphin. Butterfly. This is a butterfly. Termite. This is a termite. Hornet. This is a hornet. Thank you for watching. Bye bye friends.